Hi guys, I wanted to show you how learning how to use the self-employment QuickBooks to track my mileage, and I've been using it when I shop for a dumpling client for my small business. There's a learning curve. This is what I do in between. I'm learning how to use these apps so I can easily do my taxes, deduct everything on the fly. I'm in my QuickBooks. What I'm going to do here, I looked it up. My starting point was Moody Avenue. Not really, but I made the trip a little bit shorter for this example, just so I could keep the address private. And I drove to 1714 Merrick Road. So I'm going to click the plus sign, create trip, start point, Moody Avenue, Freeport, tap it, save, endpoint, 1714, Merrick Road, Merrick, yes, save. Calculated distance, 2.31 miles, okay? I'm going to tap business. I already had it in. I'm doing it over for the example. Dumpling shop, yes, save. Because it's a business expense, save. So if you go to reviewed, there it is, $1.35 is a deductible for my mileage from my starting point to my end point. Now here's another thing. You see this here, 1722, it's almost the exact address of Trader Joe's. That's what populated. I parked in the back of the building. And 11 Lindner is a couple of blocks before the drop-off, because I wanted to do this for an example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the word today underneath this one here that says 9.66 miles, potential deduction. Or maybe the picture. I'll tap on that map picture. Yeah, it populates. It's automatically tracking it. Okay? So you go into your unreviewed. Say, oh, I did two shopping trips today. Let me add that as a business expense. Tap business. It already populates dumpling shop. Done. Business purpose, dumpling shop. I'm not going to create a rule because I have a different route every day. Click save. I'm going to go to reviewed. You see that? Now, hold on. It took me time to realize, to learn how to use it. I was manually tracking it, too much work. And then I forgot. At least if I forget, if I have it on auto track, at the end of the day, I'm sitting on the couch, let me browse through my phone. Oh, I didn't track those trips. I could just go back and click business, add it. It goes to reviewed. It puts it in as a deduction right off the bat. Like right there. That's really good to know. I want to use the self-employed QuickBooks when I'm working as a dumpling personal shopper, because it works for this gig. Well, this small business. I don't want to call it a gig because it's a small business. When I work the food apps, still, the Uber Eats and the Grubhub, I turn on Stride and I leave it on because I'm going to pick up, delivery location, pick up, delivery location, pick up until I'm done, and then I shut off the Stride. So I thought you would find that interesting. I finally understand which way I want to go. I'm learning how to use it better, and it's hard. Learning all these apps to work on the fly is worth it, but the initial learning curve and setup is time consuming and work. I'll see you in the next video clip. I'll be around. Bye.